Alright, so this is the easiest way to keep these valves open 24/7, as y'all know. Every single time you turn the car on, you have to click through the modes to open the valves again. Even if you cut it off with the modes on, it still cuts it off every time the car turns off. So the easiest way is to unplug the switches that goes to the actuators from the exhaust. So it'll be like 5 minutes and we should be done. And then we'll have open pipe all the time. Yeah, so I'm running pretty much a catless downpipe to the stock 2 small res to an X pipe delete to stock exhaust. So I'm just going to unplug the 2 mufflers so it stays open 24/7. First things first, let's jack this up. Make sure you get a car jack. Alright, so now when you're under the car, there's an actuator right there on the left side. And the one on the right side is right here. So we're gonna unplug this plug right here. And we're gonna unplug. And we're gonna unplug this plug right here. So super simple. There's a tab you have to pull out and then you can just pull the plug out. But before we unplug it, we have to turn the car on. Make sure the valves are open, and then you unplug it so it stays permanently open. So turn the car on. All right, let's flip through the modes.
Please insert micro SD card.
That's off. That's on. All right, let's do this quick. So breathe in exhaust fumes. All right, this is the back driver's side. So pull this tab out and then you can squeeze it and pull out, right? So that's done. And then on the passenger side, same thing. Pull the tab. Press down on it and it releases. So that's unplugged. Make sure you zip tie it up to somewhere so it doesn't get burnt on the exhaust. You can tie it to here if you want. Likewise for the other side. Alright, so now that's permanently open. It just sounds like this all the time. Sounds amazing. And that's how you keep your valves open 24/7. So you can verify it by, see, car's off, and there's still, the valve's still open. And this was not a cold rev. I drove the car this morning, so it was still hot.